Hello there guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel CADCAMSTER. Today we will design this part. It is a basic part in Solidworks 2018. This is a basic part for the beginners and this is our tutorial number 17 on part number 70. So if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So first I am going to use this drawing to create this part. All these dimensions I will consider these in millimeters. So first, there are several approaches in which you can create this part. Either you can create a rectangle of 40 by 90 and then create this profile and remove this excess material, this side material. Let me show you. Now you can create here this rectangle, then remove this material and this material, or you can directly create this profile and extrude it up to a distance of 30 millimeters. After that you will create this 14 dia holes and here this contour, and after that we will create this cutout. So let's get started. Now first I will enter into the part mode. For that, select here file, now select here new, now select here part, click here OK. Now let me change background to plain white and select here millimeter gram second system. Make sure you are working under millimeter gram second system. Now you can either select here extrude boss base. When you will select it, it will ask for the plane. You can select plane, or you can simply directly select here front plane and go to sketch, select here sketch. Now first what I am going to do is create one center line and I will create this half profile and later on I will mirror it. Now the height of the center line will be 40 millimeters. So select here center line and create one center line like this. Let me off this sketch numeric input. Now go to smart dimension, select this line, enter the value of 40 millimeters like this. Now again select here line command, snap this point and create this profile like this. Yeah, these two lines, this one is vertical and this one is horizontal, this one is horizontal, but this line is not horizontal. Select it and make it horizontal. Now go to smart dimension. Now we have to assign some dimension. You can see the base length is 90 millimeters. So select this one. This will be 45, half of 90. Now this distance is 15 mm given here. Now select this edge. This will be 15. Now the top distance is, you can see, 30 millimeters. Select this one. So this will be half of 30, which is 15. Now from here to here it is 50 millimeters. So select this edge and this center line. This total distance is 50, so this will be 25. Now you can see our half sketch is fully defined. Now we will use mirror entities. For that, select here mirror entities. Now you can drag and select all these, or you can click by putting your cursor on these edges or lines. Now select this mirror about and select this center line as the mirror axis. Now click here OK. Now you can see our profile is ready. Now we have to extrude this profile, and the extrude distance will be 30 millimeters, which is mentioned here. And we will use about the mid plane to extrude. Now select here extrude boss base. Now select here mid plane and enter the value of 30 millimeters. Now click here OK. Now we will create this profile You can see first we have to create a 30 by 10 rectangle and extrude it up to a distance of 57 from this edge, or you can from this face it will be 27 because this is 30. So 57 minus 30, which is 27. So we will extrude it 27. So select this face, click here normal to, and select here sketch. Now select here corner rectangle. Create one rectangle. Make sure its lower edge is coincident or collinear with this edge. Now go to smart dimension. Select this edge. This will be 10 as per the drawing. You can see. Now this edge will be 30. Now we have to make it symmetric. So select this edge. Select this origin point. From origin point it will be 15. Now go to features. Select here extrude boss base. Now the distance will be 27, which is 57 minus 30. So enter the value of 27. Now make sure you check here merge result, otherwise if it is not checked it will create the multi bodies. Now click here OK. Now we have to use the full round fillet. For that select here fillet and select here full round fillet. Click on the first box, select this face. Now click on the second box, select this face, click on the third box and select this face. Now you can see the preview. Now click here OK. Now we have to create this hole of dia 14 mm. It is concentric with this arc or fillet center. Now select this face, click here sketch and normal. Now select a circle command. Let me escape it. Now select your circle command. Move your cursor towards this edge of the circular arc. It will show you the center. Now snap this center and create one circle. Now go to smart dimension, select this center. This will be 14 mm. You can see, and from this edge it is 12 mm. However, it is fully defined, but if you want to verify, you can select this edge and this center. You can see this is 12, but we cannot dimension it because it will over define the sketch. You can see it is showing. Now go to features, select here extrude cut and select here through all. You can see. Now I will select this face, click here normal to and sketch. Now select your center line, snap this point and this diagonal point and create one center line. Now select circle. Now snap this origin point, create one circle. Now go to smart dimension. You can see the dia of this circle is 14. So select this circle, enter the value of 14 mm. Now go to features, select here extrude cut. Now we have to specify the depth of this hole. Select here through all. Now click here OK. Now you can see we have mid plane. Now we have to create this cutout here. For that I will select this face, click here normal to and sketch. Now select your corner rectangle, create one rectangle up to like here. Now you can see from this edge up to this edge it is actually a rectangle on this face, due to which this cutout out on this tapered face is done. So from the length of the rectangle is 20. So select a smart dimension, select this edge, select the smart dimension, select this edge. This will be 20. Now from this edge it is 5. Select this edge and this edge. This will be 5. Now from this edge it is 8 mm. Select this edge, this edge. This will be 8. and this width will be 14. Now select this one, this will be 14. Now go to features, select here extrude cut. Now we have to specify two directions. Now select here direction number 2, and in direction number 1 select here through all, and in direction number 2 select here through all. Now click here OK. Now you can see a smooth cutout. Now we have to make this cutout on the other side. For that I will select here right plane, select here mirror. You can select this cutout, or you can click on this icon and expand this and select this cutout extrude number 3. Now click here OK. You can see our part number 17 is ready. In this way we can create this simple part in SolidWorks. And if you need this 2D drawing, I have provided a link in the description box to download this 2D drawing, or you can visit our website, which is www.cadcamster.com, to download these 2D drawings, with the help of which you can practice on your own. And if you like this video, please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications of our latest uploads. Thank you.